to Mr. Juncker's belief in a closer political union between EU member states and has described Brussels as too big, too bossy. His hand was strengthened on Monday when Labour said its MEPs in the European Parliament, which must approve the appointment, would vote against Mr. Juncker. The message from the European elections was clear, that we need reform in Europe, a spokesman said. We need reform so we can promote jobs and growth. Mr. Juncker's record shows he would make these reforms more difficult. Engagement. Nick Clegg, Britain's Deputy Prime Minister and Lib Dem leader, has already said he backs Mr. Cameron's stance, after Labour's intervention. Mr. Cameron tweeted, "All major UK parties are now united on one point: Jean-Claude Juncker should not be President of the European Commission." Earlier, in a speech in Liverpool, the Prime Minister said those running EU bodies must understand the need for reform, and suggested the EU rethink its strategic objectives as well as getting the right leadership. "I think the programme is as important as the people," he said, stressing the EU's focus should be on making the 28-nation bloc more competitive and flexible and increasing cooperation in energy and digital services. My reaction